Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, fam bam. How are you guys doing? Oh yeah, what's that? He's watching some animal thing on the TV. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? We're up and we started our day by making porridge. I'm making oats porridge for Minnie because he woke up this morning and as he saw me, he said, Mama, can I have porridge, please? So I am making porridge for him right now. The hubby is off to work and Tyler and I will be sticking around here today, see what we're gonna get accomplished throughout the day. There is no work today, so it's just me and Minnie. Say morning, Fibs. Say morning, Fibs. What's going on to your hair? Scratch?
Yes.
Okay, let me scratch it for you. Say morning, Fibs. Tyler, what's wrong?
Because I'm feeling well.
You're not feeling well? What's wrong? What's hurting?
My stomach.
Your stomach hurting?
Yes.
He keeps saying that a lot recently. I don't know why. Your hair scratching? You need a haircut and I'm gonna wash it today, okay?
Okay.
Alright, your porridge coming, okay? Tell the face what you're doing.
I want.
What you want?
I want Papa Happy Meal. The Papa the Happy Meal. Mama.
You want porridge and Happy Meal. You guys know what Happy Meal is, I guess. Happy Meal from Burger King or KFC or McDonald's. Your hair really scratching, huh? Let me see in your hair. You know, sometimes it can just be sweaty and scratching. So I think he's hot. He said he want porridge and apple and Happy Meal. So porridge is coming up. I'm making him some porridge right now. Okay, you guys, so there go breakfast. Porridge is ready and we're gonna grub. I'm just gonna have the rest of what leave from the pot. So we hope you guys will have a good day. Make today blessed, make it productive, make it positive most of all, and just enjoy your breakfast, whatever it is that you're having, and enjoy your day, whatever it is that you are doing. Love you guys. I'm gonna feed my grumpy or help him eat. Ready? And we'll catch with you guys later. Come.
Yes.
I'm here.
Come.
I come.
Then you come.
Okay, I'm here. What do you want me to do? You want me to feed you? Or you feed yourself? Sit up.
You.
You want me to feed you?
Yes.
Yes. Sit up properly. Don't slouch like that. Sit up, baby. Sit up. Come up. Come up. Come up. No, not like that. You're so funny. Ready for porridge?
Like that.
Hmm? Like that? Okay, come. Ah, it's yummy in my tummy. It's yummy?
Yes.
You love porridge? Yes. Boy, I love porridge. Jamaican in him, I guess. Put Marshall down. Ah, you watching SpongeBob? SpongeBob. You gotta be kidding me. SpongeBob is so funny. You gotta be kidding me.
Barista.
Oh I'm just grateful that this kid loves all things food. Police car, especially Jamaican style food. I am just so grateful that he loves everything. And I'm grateful that he loves all the things that I used to eat growing up as a kid. You gotta be kidding me. It's so funny. Oh my god! Come. He's so funny. First thing on my agenda this morning is to iron some clothes. So the plan is to iron all the shirts for babe that haven't ironed for work, and to iron all the new clothes that we bought for Tyler for school. So I'm going to iron all that right now. Starting off with babe own, and then I'm just going to jump right into Tyler's own. Because my baby clothes need to iron for school. So I'm gonna do that. School, he doesn't wear, I wouldn't say he wear a uniform, well kinda. He'll be wearing plain clothes, and then he'll be wearing his uniform top over his plain clothes. So this is what his uniform top will be looking like. But his name needs to go on it, and I don't just want to write it on with a pen. So after I finish ironing all these shirts, I'm going to go the old Jamaican way, the Jamaican in me, and I'm going to embroider his name onto his clothes with thread, embroidery thread and needle. So I'm gonna iron first, but I'm not gonna iron the uniform tops. I'm just ironing all these shirts and his pants and shorts and stuff. And then after that, I have to embroider his name onto his uniform top. And then all of his shirts, like these shirts that he's gonna wear, I can't cut these out because I have to put his name on every single thing. All his clothes that he's wearing, all his bag, everything I have to put his name on. So those at the top have a section for the name, so I have to put his name on. Can you believe that I'm actually here preparing for my kid to go to school? Is that even a thing? 3 years just went by so fast. I remember when this little boy was born just the other day, and my baby's going to school. You ready for school?
Yes.
Yeah, you're going to school soon. You're going to school on Monday. Yeah, see you. Alright, Mama is ironing, so you gotta go away from the iron. It's very hot, okay? You're going back to play in your room? My boy's school ready. Clothes all fresh and ironed. So cute. And pants and shorts all done. Now I'm gonna put these up and embroider his name onto his uniform top, and then I can iron those. Okay, you guys, so here's what's going on. Here's the experiment. I write his name out with a pencil lightly so that I can find my way to embroidery with this thread and needle. So I'm gonna do it and let you guys see how it's gonna look when it's finished. So yeah, And while I'm doing that, I'm actually here making, while I'm doing that, I'm here making Tyler some lunch. And I'm making something that I bring back from Jamaica that I cannot find in France. Even if I make it myself, which I do sometimes, it still doesn't taste the same. And this is what I'm making, macaroni and cheese. Good old Jamaican macaroni and cheese. Tyler love it. So I'm making that for his lunch with some sausage. Yes, Ty?
You're cooking dinner for me?
No, not dinner, but lunch.
Lunch.
Yeah, you ready for lunch?
Yes.
I'm making macaroni and cheese, okay? I'm just mixing out the cheese in some milk. Okay, my butter is in. Ah, yeah, 6 is the answer. Good job. And then I'm gonna throw my cheese in it. This time. And I'm just gonna put this back on the stove for a little bit. This time. You're not going anywhere. Mama is working.
It's my birthday.
No, your birthday is gone.
It's gone. It is gone, Mama.
Fifths?
Yes.
No, Fifths on the phone.
Talk to Fee.
You want to talk to Fifths?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
No, turn around like this.
Turn it around. Okay, let me turn it around.
Thank you.
You see yourself? All right, talk to Fifths now. What you want to tell them?
I'm not going anywhere because I'm not going anywhere because I'm watching TV. You what? You talk to Fee, Mama.
You want me to talk to Fifths now?
Yeah.
My child is hilarious. Your turn.
Your turn.
My turn?
Yes.
He's so funny. Anyway, you guys, macaroni and cheese finished making. Time to put Minnie down to eat lunch so I can finish get some stuff done. Yes, it's ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you guys, a few hours has passed and I finished shirt one finally, and that's the outcome. That's what it looked like. I think this will work. Not bad. So yeah, a few more shirts to go. But now I'm tired and I feel like I want to sleep, so I think I'm gonna pause a bit. But yeah, this is the outcome. Not bad at all.
Kaya.
What is written on your shirt?
T-I-L-E. Oh, Kaya.
Yeah, that's for you to go to school.
Yes.
He woke up and saw his shirt and got so excited with his name on it. It makes me a little bit emotional,
Mama.
to say the least.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Sarah got a little bit emotional. You're excited for school?
Ding dong.
You're excited for school?
Yes, sir.
He's so excited, you guys. Can't believe my baby is so grown and heading to school. When you're happy that you have your own space. What you doing?
Puzzles.
You're doing puzzles? This boy loves puzzle. Look at him all by himself. Wow, you almost finished. One more to go. Bravo! Good job, baby.
It's empty.
Okay, so you find all the pieces in the red pan and then you can do it, okay? He loves his room so much.
Hey, for the one.
Yeah. I'm going to give you guys a tour of Tyler's room and show you all that is in here as soon as it's complete. Just some little things. Good job. Just some little things to get and then his room will be complete. All right. Yeah, look for all the pieces. Enjoy your puzzle. Bye. You guys, I'm actually finishing up cooking dinner. Let me show you guys what dinner is tonight. It's gonna be quinoa and curry chicken. Yes, so that's dinner. Dinner is done. So, and I always have my quinoa with a little lettuce. That way I just think it tastes a lot better with the lettuce in it. Anyway, you guys, dinner is done.
Hi guys, I just wanted to say thanks to all of you that are watching not only to the vlogs but all of the vlog. I want to say a big thank you to all of the message when Bay was in Jamaica, that I wasn't in all of the vlog but I was in some of your comment, and I really appreciate it. Yeah, it really touched me, and I want to say thank you to all of the support that you gave us. Really appreciate. Don't forget, and yeah, thank you, all of you. And we try to do new things. We try to do things that you like. Yeah, I'm thankful to you, and continue watching us. You won't regret it. So yeah, I just wanted to take this little minutes to thank all of you. Thank you for everything. The French expression for today is être connu comme le loup blanc. To be famous like the white wolf.
Okay.
Mean what it means?
I don't know.
Means to be very famous. So somebody is very famous, you say, lui il est connu comme le loup blanc.
Okay. Être connu
Comme le loup blanc.
comme le loup blanc.
Right.
Okay, cool. To be very famous.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Today's Jamaican expression is one that Jamaicans use a lot, especially when we're very feisty. When we're sassy, we say, "Your favorite idiot." Your favorite idiot. And we use it a lot. We use it when we're excited about something. We use it when someone looks stupid and doing stupid things. We just use it to insult people sometimes.
So
Your
insult
favorite
people.
idiot. And sometimes we use it just jokingly. So it depends on the context
Your
in which we use it.
favor?
Favorite idiot.
Your favorite idiot. You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
You sound like
She's
a
an
real
idiot.
Jamaican saying that.
She's an idiot.
No, I'm not. You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
Your favorite idiot.
You're an idiot.
He's two idiots.
Back
Anyway, you
up.
guys. Well, I'm glad Tyler not here for this one and the one I gave last night. Sorry, I assume it's not a good one
It's
for him to
PG-18,
know.
Tyler.
Oh, yes.
Tyler is underage.
Oh, yes. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I guess that is only for me and Tyler.
Tomorrow.
Bye, guys.